Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save custom avatar on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, you're going to go to the avatar menu and you're going to go to the avatar customization. Click on customize right here, and then you're going to customize your avatar. You can change the hairstyle, change the body, change the head, and so on. After you're done customizing your avatar, you're going to click on add or edit right here, and then you're going to select add as new avatar or replace the existing avatar, or you can manage your avatar. And if you want to save as new avatar, you're going to click on add as new avatar. And then, oh, I've already added this avatar as man. So I'm going to cancel it, guys. So yeah, just like that, you're going to save the avatar by using this feature. And I'm going to customize it first. Hold on. I'm going to put accessories. I'm going to add this hat. Okay, and I'm going to add this avatar as a new customization. Hold on. I'm going to go to the customization and I'm going to go to avatars and add or edit. Okay, add as new avatar. Okay, and we can name our avatar. I'm going to name it green and I'm going to add it to the avatar list. Okay, now this custom avatar has been added to this list, and anytime you want to use this avatar, you just need to click on the um, saved avatar. Okay guys, and that's how you can save the custom avatar on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!